Hey guys, welcome. My name is Alan Wake. I have started a tutorials for various, MS functionalities, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, maybe something else as well. Um, but the most important thing is I would like to start some tutorials for our day-to-day channel, day-to-day, work. Where we can help where I can help people by some uh, some with some shortcuts of MS Excel, maybe something else. So it will make their life easier. Okay, so let me start by saying that I am a IT professional. I have been working for quite some time now, and I can say I'm intermediate in Excel, but I can say because Excel is a fantastic tool. Everybody should use it. There are some gurus of Excel that I also follow them, but I want to make sure that this channel will provide very basic tips that will help very beginning level professionals, or maybe some reference of some already existing professionals. So let me start by the introduction of Excel. Excel is a Microsoft's tool that is getting updated uh, rapidly. There's lots of tons of functions have been added in the new version as well. So I'll start by saying there's a shortcut keys that I use because I rather use the shortcut keys more than the mouse, because that is where you get a lot of time saving in your regular day's work. So for starting, there is a key called Alt. That is actually gives you the entire library how to use the shortcuts. So if you can see these are these library shortcuts are been popped up. So you just have to follow you know the the shortcut keys as accordingly. So if you want to go home, you just have to press H. If you want to go a format painter, this is the format painter, and you like select FP. So this format will be automatically selected down to the next cell. I use mostly the navigational keys, and for selecting multiple cells at once, you can select like shift, right arrow, then down arrow, something like that. You can go ahead on and on, and you can, by the left key you can reduce the selection, by the up key you can reduce the selection. When you will select the cells by shift navigational key, you can notice that the selection will be showing in the name box. And suppose I'm going to give a border for everything, like all border to the selected cell. So I'll simply use Alt. Let's give me the function of the library. Then I'll go to H, that's home, then border, the B, then A, that's all border. So I'll repeat it again. So Alt, you can say Alt plus, like from Alt, then H, then B, then A. So if I can do it faster, you will get it this result, like Alt HBA. Yeah, that's it. Um, so this is something you have to learn day to day on day-to-day basis, because it will help you immensely. And for that, let me create a table. So this heading one. I do use mouse because there's some functionalities I also like to use, but I can't use because I also don't know. There's some things I also uh, researching. So obviously, if you can help me with anything, um, anything, any new idea, what if I'm doing something wrong here, you can correct me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to correct it or take it your idea. So this is my this is my table. So let's start with the serial number. So if I go to serial number here, and suppose you want a serial number like this, so what you can do by mouse, you can simply select 1, and then you can drag it down. It will give you 1 for all, because that's the functionality of dragging down. So if you select 1 and 2, and if you select both of them, it will give you something like this. So that is what you want, but there is no formula that is being used, which I don't like. So this is out of border. Let me put it in border. Yes. Okay. So I don't like this kind of approach. So what I do, this is the cell. So I go, I'll select this as 1, and now for the next ones, like if you select equal to this plus 1, will give you 2. If you go drop down to whatever you know cell you want, just control shift up arrow, it will give you the selection, and just press control D. See, the numbers have been copied, and it will give you automatic serial number. You can go by this cell, just control D, and then if you want to select all the borders, alt HBA. Now if you, there's a catch in this. If you delete something in between, it will start from the beginning. So this is basically a formula. So in that case, what I do after this formula is done, whatever I need to do till when, I just select it, control C, that's copying entire thing, and alt H V V. So that's pasting the value into the same cell. So by that, see, now it's all values. There's no formula. There are no formulas. So that is I call the serial number drag down, value paste, and border of everything. Now let me let me create a table from 1 to 10. So this is a table of 1 to 10. These are random numbers. Okay, so if you want to select an entire row, just shift space, it will select the entire row. And if you like shift control down arrow, it will select active cells to the bottom, and control minus will be the delete. You can see the bordered arrow is deleted. So that is how you delete a row. For the same thing with the column, like control, which we are giving for cell is, for the row is shift space, for column it's control space, and the same thing. Okay, now let me create it a total. Let me delete this formula from here. Okay, these are all changing because this is a ran between formula. Every time I click something, it will automatically change. So let me just copy it, and without doing anything, just copying an alt HVV. So this is now a value. This will not change whatsoever. Now the formula of autosum. So you can just select here and click on autosum. It will give you the same formula I'm about to give, but I don't use mouse that often because I want to keep it like this. Like if you select the cell, go alt H U S, that's the autosum. Now click enter, it will give you the autosum function. Trust me guys, if you want to use the mouse, that's fine, but this shortcut keys of day-to-day life will save you a hell lot of time than finding and clicking all this stuff. Some people still do prefer clicking the mouse, so that's fine with me. People have their own way to interact with the Microsoft Excel. I use this way. So now if you want to you know sum of all the headings, like heading 3, 4, 5, 6, they have to just select from this, like select this and hit Control R. It will copy the entire sum formula to the adjacent cells. Same thing if you want to do down, one cell down, it has to have to click Control D. So that is how you copy and control formula. So this is my first video, guys. Please support, subscribe, hit enter with in the like button, and please do subscribe and share this channel, because I'm gonna upload very many new videos for Excel, for everybody, for beginners, for uh, you know uh, existing professionals or whatsoever. And if you have any question, put out in the comment section. If you want give you want any advice, I'm all ears. Just put it in the comment section. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching. uh, that's it for the first video. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.